Today in Venice, in this ancient and historic city, is renewed an historic moment. And before the start of this moment, a little reminiscent of history.
It had to be you. It had to be you. I wandered around and finally found there's somebody who could make me be true.
Today's ceremony is presided over by the mayor of the city. The union between Venice and the sea, so it's a really marriage. Marriage is a commitment between two people to live together, to discover, share, and develop the opportunities life brings in such a way that cannot be equaled by any other relationship. It is a physical and emotional bond that is promised for a lifetime. And it's also for this that Venice is the symbolic city of union, love, and marriage. We are gathered here today to celebrate one of life's greatest moments, to give recognition to the worth and beauty of love, and to cherish the words that after 20 years will renew in confirmation Stephen and Tracy in marriage. Remind you that marriage is a precious gift, a lifelong dedication to love and a daily challenge to love one another more fully and more freely. In fact, within the circle of love, marriage encompasses all the most important relationships in life itself. Husband and wife are best friends and confidants, teachers, listeners, and critics to one another. Remember that true friendship is the basis for any lasting relationship. Give your spouse the same courtesies and kindnesses you bestow on your friend. Say, I love you every day.
Thinking of you, some others I've seen.
With this understanding, do you, Stephen, renew the promise of marriage to Tracy? Like 20 years ago, do you reconfirm the promise to be a tender, faithful husband, to support her in good and bad times for the rest of your lives together? With this understanding, do you, Tracy, renew the promise of marriage to Stephen? Like 20 years ago, do you reconfirm the promise to be a tender, faithful wife to support him in good and bad times for the rest of your lives together? Now, if you like, is the moment of your personal vows.
Was 20 years ago, more than 20 years ago, when I met you, that we would be here today. I never knew what love was until I met you. I thought I knew 20 years ago, but I'm even now just beginning to understand and to know what love really is. And you show me that love, and you allow me to love, and you allow me to make mistakes. And I love you. And I ask that you just marry me all over again. And that with that, I promise over the next 20 years or however long that we are alive, to love you and to cherish you, to give all of myself to you, and to be yours, totally yours, until I die.
I love you forever and always, with all my heart, Stephen. With all my heart.
Kiss.
This ring, a gift to you yourself, symbolizes my desire you continue to be my wife, my life partner, my best friend from this day forward.
This ring, a gift to yourself, symbolizes my desire that you continue to be my husband, my life partner, my best friend from this day forward.
We will love so much, and then, slowly, unwittingly, we will go to the memory of the heart. Old stories start to say, nothing new under the moon. Here is the one of Stephen and Tracy, as 20 years ago, husband and wife.